A view outside our window in southwest Delhi. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon and monsoons have finally arrived, leaving behind its trail of peace and happiness and nature swinging in the breeze at its best. I remember a wonderful song which we used to hum long ago. सुन 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 बरसात की धुन सुन, सुन 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 बरसात की धुन सुन, बिजली चमकी लिपट गए हम, बादल गरजा सिमट गए हम, बिजली चमकी लिपट गए हम, बादल गरजा सिमट गए हम, ये है कितना अच्छा शगुन, सुन 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 बरसात की धुन सुन, सुन 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 बरसात की धुन सुन. What a pleasure it is to look up to the heavens, because they would have the answer for peace on earth. And all we realize is happiness not only lies within us, if happiness lies all around, it is with nature. And coexistence and peace is the only answer to a wonderful future. Thanks for watching.